Sino nagpa-first voice sa inyo? We switching po. These voices will blend. God bless us all. God help.
Tanungin mo sandali.
Okay, let's hear you vocally first. Huwag muna kayo mag-ano.
Pwede kaya i-PA yung boses nila? Pwede kaya i-PA yung mga lapel? Pwede kaya ilagay sa PA yung lapel nila?
Rigo, why she?
Ano ba ito ba yung acapella nila? Yes.
Okay, lapit kayo dito. Sorry. Layo kayo dyan sa speaker para lagay lang sa PA. Face direct. Face direct. Okay, dito kayo. Face direct there.
Hindi nakatalikod naman lahat ngayon, nakalingon. Okay, everybody, lingon kayo. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it seems as though they're here to stay. Oh yes, oh,
I believe
in yesterday. Suddenly,
Okay, from the top.
tapos nawala din ako.
Sandali.
Van, fumocus ka nga. Fumocus ka.
Okay, go.
Calm down.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it seems as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, suddenly, why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. I believe in yesterday.
Okay, point number 1. Okay, apparently, pumaposte si Bugoy. May element of predictability na ng it's going to be Bugoy, Hansen, pasok si Van. And Van, you don't know your lyrics. Sumasabit ka pa rin, Van, sa vocals. Apparently, ang blending, sumusuporta si Hansen sa vocal ni Bugoy. Van, kailangan mo pang i-match yun. Okay? Lagyan niyo pa ng konting lagkit. Yun. Teacher Monet can help you out with that.
Yeah.
Sa ano, yung, kasi gusto Monet, tax ka, no? Specialty mo to. Yung pasok lang, yung yesterday, yung meron, tapos why she had to go, I don't know.
Wala pang dynamics.
Kailangan lagyan mo ng dynamics ng lagkit yun. Saka maganda, ito suggestion ko yung lasang I believe in. Isa lang ang sa kanta lang, yesterday. So it doesn't end with a 3 blend. Give it na to Bugoy. So it ends so quietly and sadly. Kulang pa ng emotion.
Sige po.
Ito ang challenge nyo. Nakapila lang kayo, wala kayong magtitinginan.
Oo.